Hey guys, no time to explain. Today you'll see a DIY robot with limitless potential and the coolest cyberpunk earbuds with a drop-dead design. And have you ever cleaned your shirt with plasma? Plus, we have some innovative stuff for every photographer. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. This stylish coffee mug will let you stand out from the crowd and enjoy your drink in the most convenient way. As you can see, this thing features a really unusual horn-shaped design. It comes with a leak-proof cap and a really neat faux leather holder. When you move this holder to the bottom, it doubles as a perfect stand for your mug. In addition, the package includes 2 different straps for carrying long and short. The mug holds up to 16 ounces of coffee, keeping it nice and warm, and it's completely dishwasher safe, except for the leather parts. Why is it a goat mug anyway? Well, the story goes that there was a flock of goats back in the 13th century that were first starting to eat coffee berries, so this is a way of paying tribute to them. You'll definitely have lots of fun using this AI robot, but building it must be even cooler. You'll have to assemble this guy almost from the ground up to know exactly how the robot works. It handles plenty of tasks like tracking faces and certain colors, measuring distances, and following your movements in 5 different axes. You might also use the built-in joysticks for easy controls, but this is just the basic functionality that you're free to expand by programming some all-new actions. The robot is powered by open-source Arduino software that works with Windows, Mac, and Linux. And hardware is expandable too. You might add speakers and a microphone, a Wi-Fi module, and wheels. Just do it wisely. We don't want the rise of the machines. Students will love this one. The calculator has a built-in graphic tablet that allows you to take all kinds of notes. The stylus is attached by magnets right on the side, so you don't have to carry it separately. Once your notepad is all filled, a single push of a button will clear it immediately. But if you need to save the contents for some time, there's a lock mode for that as well. As for the actual calculator, it features a wide 12-digit display and soft silicone buttons, which are really silent. This thing charges with a USB-C cord. An hour and a half will give you up to 3 months of use. If you already have a hydration backpack, this kit will let you get the most out of it. It features a compact and powerful misting system, which is installed right inside your backpack. It might take a few minutes to set all that up, but thankfully there's a video tutorial that explains every step. All the hoses and adapters are included in the package, as well as the misting pump. There's even a chest clip that keeps the hose in place. The water reservoir holds up to 16 ounces. It'll spin from 2 to 6 cups an hour, depending on the mode you choose. The thing actually has 8 speed settings for any possible use case. Switching between them is extremely easy thanks to the included remote control. The system is powered by a rechargeable battery that lasts over 12 hours and charges with a regular USB. This is exactly what we need on those hot summer days. This is the latest high-tech solution for keeping your clothes nice and fresh. Nope, it's not a washer. It's a completely portable device that removes all kinds of unpleasant odors using an innovative plasma technology. That means it doesn't need any chemicals or water and suits a variety of different fabrics, including the most delicate ones. The whole process is simple as it gets. Just turn the gadget on and wait for the white indicator to light up. Now press this thing to your clothes and start wiping. The purple light shows the plasma is active. You can do that at home or on the go, without even taking off your clothes. The gadget charges with a regular micro USB, delivering a whole hour of use. And there's a nice included pouch for effortless storage and carrying. To improve your tennis skills, you have to hit thousands of tennis balls, and then you have to collect them. But you can get this special robot that'll bring them back to you. You'll only need to roll the robot onto the court and install the special station on the net post holder. The smart camera system and AI allow the bot to find all the balls autonomously. There's a removable bucket that holds up to 80 balls. You can activate the bot using the dedicated mobile app or even your Apple Watch. The app will also provide you with some useful stats that you might share with friends. The bot is equipped with a rechargeable battery that lasts around 4 to 5 hours. When you're done with your practice, this thing just wheels off and easily fits in your trunk. This is the tireless partner you always needed. This innovative guitar tuner will help you spend more time playing your instrument instead of tuning it up. It works with all types of guitars, acoustic and electric, 6 or 12 strings. You can even use it with other string instruments like violin or ukulele. The whole process is really intuitive and takes only about 30 seconds. Just place the gadget on the peg and pluck the string. Once the string is tuned, you'll hear the vibration. There are over 100 alternate tunings to choose from, and you're free to create your own ones. The colorful high-resolution display will help with that. What's more, the tuner is provided with a dedicated mobile app for both Android and iOS. After pairing your tuner with the app, you'll be able to save your instruments and tuning settings and view some stats. The tuner charges with the included USB-C cord and lasts up to 1 month on a single charge. This thing is so portable, you can easily take it to concerts or anywhere else. Now let's check out some cool DIY models. If you're into cars and motorcycles, you'll definitely recognize the shape of the V-twin engine. The model is incredibly realistic, containing over 150 pieces. Although you'll have to break a sweat putting them all together, the step-by-step manual will help you a lot. The model is motorized, so it'll actually work like a real engine. The transparent cylinders, along with backlit spark plugs, provide clear visibility from various angles. You should also check out this V8 engine, which is actually a bit more difficult. This one already includes over 250 parts. Of course, you'll still get your electric motor, spark plugs, and some sleek chrome-plated pieces. And most importantly, both models feature authentic sounds recorded from the real engines. That's the most satisfying part. This is just the coolest Apple Watch stand ever, period. It literally takes your watch back to 1984, turning it into a tiny Macintosh computer. The cable management and safety are thought through. The case is made of soft silicone that won't leave any scratches on your watch, and this model, as you've probably guessed, is inspired by the first iMac, which is no less nostalgic. The display is lined up perfectly, allowing you to put the watch on your nightstand and use it as a desktop clock. Both stands are actually suited for all Apple Watch series and various sizes. The Macintosh comes in black and white colors, and with the iMac, you'll have to choose between blue and pink. Here's a new way to measure your body in order to track your fitness progress. This measure tape is extremely easy to use. You just wrap it around your body, look at the tip, and then adjust the tightness using the special gear. The result will appear immediately on the built-in OLED screen, glanceable as it gets. What's even cooler, this thing is provided with a special app available for both Android and iOS, and it's also compatible with Apple Health. The app will collect your measurements concerning the most critical body parts like biceps, calves, and waist. Actually, you're free to add up to 60 body parts that are most important for you. And in addition, you'll be able to set the goals, track the changes, and even share the gadget with all your family members. Up to 100 accounts can be stored in a single app. Having your tripod and camera all set up will be much easier with these new tripod heads. The two models, Ergo and Elite, both feature a revolutionary design without any knobs at all. How do they lock then? There are two buttons right under your fingers, which either tighten or loosen the head. It's that simple. Another huge change is the panning turntable, which was moved to the top, making it easier to do the leveling. And there's a special wheel that lets you quickly lock and unlock panning. The clamp on these tripods is compatible with all Arca plates. Both models feature a unibody all-metal design that handles up to 22 pounds. But there's one great feature that you'll only get with the Elite model: the most simple and advanced leveling system. This level is incredibly accurate whether you shoot vertically or horizontally. 3 brightness levels make sure the screen is clearly visible in any lighting conditions. The accessory is powered by regular alkaline batteries that you'll easily find anywhere. Also, both models come with an included bushing adapter and an Arca-compatible round plate. And thanks to the special cutouts, these tripod heads can be carried on any carabiner. We had to travel to the future to show you these really cool earbuds. The zinc alloy case with various engravings makes this thing look incredibly authentic. Gamers will definitely appreciate the looks as well as the specs. Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity ensures the lowest possible latency. Choose a specific mode for every activity, gaming, movie, or music. Most importantly, 4 balanced armature driver units deliver a detailed sound with really rich bass. As you'd expect, a few taps on both earbuds let you switch tracks, adjust the volume, or activate your voice assistant. Feel free to make phone calls in the most crowded places. Smart software will cut off the noise. When you remove the earbuds, the music pauses and then resumes automatically. Also, the sweat-proof design allows wearing the earbuds during workouts. The buds last about 6 hours on their own and up to 24 hours with the charging case. And there are silicone tips of 3 different sizes, so you'll definitely find the perfect fit.